Today, the people all over the world are panicked due to the outbreak of coronavirus. So, first of all, we have to know what is virus. Virus is a biological agent that reproduce inside the cells of a living host. When affected by a virus, the host cell quickly produce thousands of identical copies of the original virus. So, coronavirus is one of them. Coronaviruses are a family of viruses that cause disease in animals and some cause illness in people. It is officially called COVID-19. What do you mean by COVID-19? COVID-19 means coronavirus disease 2019. This virus was first detected in Wuhan city in China, and now it is spreading from person to person. We don't know the exact source of current outbreak of coronavirus 2019. Anyway, first of all, we have to know what are the symptoms related to this disease. In early stage, that means in initial symptoms, it includes fever, dry cough, tiredness, difficulty in breathing. And about 75% to 80% people recover from this disease without any special treatment. So you have to take care yourself. There is no medicine for this disease. If you have mild symptoms, then you can cure yourself at your home. That means you have to stay at home, you have to take care yourself, you have to keep yourself warm, you have to drink plenty of liquid, you have to take hot bath. But in severe cases, that means high fever, dryness, that means cough and difficulty in breathing, then you have to take medical emergency as early as possible. And this virus need a host to grow in. That means it needs an animal or people to grow in. It cannot grow in food. So food is not directly involved for the transmission of this disease. The main risk for transmission of this disease is from the close contact of the infected people. So be careful about that. Prevention is better than cure. That means you have to take some precaution to avoid this disease. First of all, wash your hands frequently with soap and water, as it kills viruses that present on your hands. And secondly, maintain social distancing. That means maintaining 1 meter distance between yourself and anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Thirdly, don't touch your nose, eyes or mouth with your hands, as your hands touch many surfaces and can pick up viruses. So be careful about that. And fourthly, practice respiratory hygiene. Make sure that you and the people around you follow good respiratory hygiene. That means cover your mouth with your bent elbow or tissue paper when you cough or sneeze.